Okay, so we're going to look at the form of this first. So you see that there's an introduction, which I just played, okay? And you see that. It's really easy to see. What key are we in here? What do you think?
G. Oh, C.
You think we're in C? Okay, yeah, we are. We're in C. Okay. Now, so you've learned the introduction. Then we have the next part, the da 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 bum bum bum, right? Okay. So that's actually the first part because we have an introduction. Then we have this A section here that we repeat. Okay. So we're going to do that today. And I'm going to turn this off, and then we're going to go through and deconstruct it, okay? And then we'll come back and look at the score again. Let's look at this again. So we're in the key of C, right? So our pinky is going to play C. Let's do 2 measures at a time, okay? And I want you both to help each other on this. We're going to do your Chopin like this too. So we're going to go. What's this?
That's an F chord.
Yeah. So you're doing C on the bottom, and then an F chord.
So it's basically like an F chord with an added C.
Yeah, C. Yeah. C, F, A, C, and then low C. Okay? Then the right hand is starting up with your third finger, 2 C's above middle C. Okay? So you're going. Isn't that easy? I mean, you're just doing thirds going down in a, you know, down to the very next note. Okay, and then hands together goes like this. Okay. Then it continues. Let's continue with the left hand. So we've gone, whoops. Okay, then we're going to come up to A and D and C. And the right hand ended here, right? So now we go 2 more, play it again, and that's where the A comes in. And here's your up thing that you've already learned. And then we're going to repeat that, okay? So let me put those 2 things together. Repeat. Oh, and this is important. Okay, so we're done with that, and now it changes. Now you're going to do something different. You're going to go F, C. That was awesome. You're going to do something different. F, G, C. Okay, remember that? And your right hand is doing this. We ended here. Okay, you're going to pick up your hand, put it on D and F, and here's where it goes into something besides thirds. Do you remember what they are? What is, look over here. What is that? Both of you. Is it a 5th? Okay, we're looking at that. Is that a 5th?
Yes.
Yeah. Really?
No. No, wait.
Doesn't a 5th go from a line to a line or a space to a space?
Oh. Yeah, that's a 4th.
Is it?
6th.
It's a 6th, right. And do you remember about thirds and 6ths? What do I get if I turn a third upside down?
6.
Right, so we're flipping them, okay? So now we go third, third, 6th, 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 and then single notes. Okay, and I'm going to put that together for you. That whole section. Then I'm going to show you the location points for that, and then we'll move to Chopin, work on yours for a while, then we'll come back to this. Okay, here goes. And I'm not trying to play it well. I'm just We're just finding notes and patterns and things, and then we'll do how to play it once we know what to play. Okay, are you ready? So here's that whole first section. Whoops, I screwed that up. This is where the 6 start. Okay, and I'm here to tell you the fingering's really important, so pick up your hand. So you're going 5-1, 4-1, and then switching to 5-1 again. I'm going to have you practice this. Do you see that? Pick up. That seem easy? Okay, the next section you ended like this in the previous section. Okay, with your thumb on middle C and your left hand on bass C and the E above it. Okay, so now we're going to move up so that we're on G and B. And it's the same kind of pattern we've been doing. This actually is pretty repetitious if you see the patterns. You see that that's just making a G7 chord and you're kind of fooling around with the inside of it. Okay, and then when this stops, that's when the right hand comes in along with that. Okay, and it starts on the very next key. And this does its thing again. And then they play together again, and then they go opposite directions. Isn't that fun? Then you repeat the right hand. Then the left hand interrupts. The right hand repeats. Left hand interrupts again, lower. Then you do this again and again. What's wrong with that? Okay. Does that seem familiar?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. So you're kind of teasing here. And then we launch back in. And then you do the same stuff again, and I'll show you. But that's nothing new. So we've now been through everything that's new. Okay? Think you can do that? All right.